Welcome to Keepamhere. Today we'll go through a process to show you how to use your storage service. Number 1. Go to www.keepamhere.com. Number 2. Complete the sign-up form, accept terms of service and privacy policy, then click Register. Number 3. Confirm your email by clicking the link in the confirmation email sent to the email address you provided at registration. This action completes your sign-up process and you'll be directed to your personal dashboard to start storage. Number 4. Choose storage plan. Choose storage duration. Drag and drop your files, then click Upload. Number 5. You can upload more than one file at a time. However, this might slow down your upload speed if you have a slow internet. Number 6. When your upload is complete, you'll be taken to the invoice page. Click to View Invoice and then click to Make Payment. Number 7. You will be taken to the payment page to complete your payment. Note that uploaded file invoice not paid within 3 hours will be deleted automatically. Number 8. To view or delete stored files, go to Files list, click the 3 dots beside the file you wish to access or delete, and select Download, and the file will be downloaded to your device. Or select Delete and your file will be deleted. Number 9. You can also check the pricing page to get more information on the features of different storage classes. If you need any help, send us a message using the chat window at the bottom right corner of your screen, and customer support will be waiting to assist you.